A local behavioral health provider says it's made the difficult decision to shut down a drug treatment program that families have relied on for years.
Officials from Best Self Behavioral Health say the decision was made in part due to a lack of funding. News 4's Jeff Raval has this story for us. Jeff.
Well, Best Self had operated an inpatient residential program for adolescents for the past 2 years on the Renaissance campus. That's located on Harlem Road in West Seneca. The program served young people between the ages of 12 and 21. Best Self says that its adolescent inpatient program had become too expensive and was underutilized, serving fewer than 10 people. Leaders say those residents have been informed of the closure and referred to other addiction services. 15 employees with Best Self who previously worked in the adolescent inpatient program have found new roles with the provider. Leaders at Best Self say they will continue to operate a rehab and reintegration program there on the Renaissance campus.
We were not able to give a lot of advance notice for that, but what I will say is that when we knew we were moving forward with it, it was we very much incorporated the families. So we talked to each individual resident or client that we had there, along with their families and guardians.
Another reason for the program's closure, Best Self says there's been a shift in behavioral health care to outpatient and at-home care away from inpatient care. Now, Best Self says that it received approval from the state's Office of Addiction Services to close its adolescent inpatient program. To families in need of addiction services, experts at Best Self say that there is still help that is out there, and we have a list of resources in this story on our website. This closure, by the way, has no effect on kids escaping drugs, which remains on the Renaissance campus. Jeff Raval, News 4.